Happy Sunday, everyone. Today is Sunday, June 30th. And from the poll that I put in Black Girls Who Blog on YouTube and Black Girl Magic of YouTube, I'm going to bring back Saving Sunday. Now, the difference with this is I'm going to do it in real time. What I mean by real time is I'm headed to the store now and I'm going to vlog myself doing these coupon transactions. The sales start today in all drugstores, to be exact, and we're going to CVS. You have the video will go up tonight, or you'll see it Monday, but you still have all week to look at the links below, get your coupons from these people, and head to your local drugstore. So sales go from Sunday to Saturday, so you have a week to slay it. If you're following along. Keep in mind too that we're not new to this, we're just going back to this. I still have a whole Markdown Monday playlist, so make yourself comfortable and watch where I go over the basics of couponing. Like I said, I'm only bringing this series back because I wanted to do like a lifestyle coupon cooking channel, but running one channel is hard enough, and we all know that. Subbing and all that is hard enough, so I figure let's bring it back. But to be honest, if it's not being viewed like that and it's going to be a waste of my time, then I'm not going to do them anymore like I stopped before. So this time we'll just simplify it and make it real easy for everybody to follow along. And I always say this, I can help you no matter what state you are. You have to DM me like on IG and whatnot so I can get you rolling in the state you are, because I'm sure, you know, we have different grocery stores and things like that. Let's do that. The first thing you want to do when you come into the store is scan your CVS card at the machine and let the coupons come off. But I'm telling y'all, if y'all get the app, to me, you get way more additional coupons. So let me see what I can slay with this. So this is the deal that I want y'all to focus on. Focus on this deal and slay it. You all remember, everybody who I get my coupons from, I'll list them below. Buy one, you buy Kotex product, get $2 extra carry back. Buy one, get 150% off, right? So we're going to get 2 tampons, one at $5.99, the other will be at $2.99. Y'all following me? Then we gonna grab 2 packs of the pads, $6.59, and the other will come to like $3 and change. So overall, you're gonna end up spending $18 and some change. But you got 4 coupons, so you're gonna go take 2 for $6, 8 off of 18, making 2 boxes of pads, 2 boxes of tampons, $10 and change, but you're getting $2 back, so relatively it's going to feel like you paid $8. And this $2 you can hold to use on any upcoming deals. That's what we call rolling deals. We just roll our money. So I did several transactions, spending about $16 altogether, even after using the gift card. But the deal I want y'all to focus on, take it slow, one deal at a time, and do the tampon deal. Okay, so see y'all next video.